This ain't gonna go through here. This ain't gonna go through here. This trail's tight. I was hoping we could slip around. I know.
If it falls on the truck, it'd be even awesome.
Yeah. We don't need it to fall on the truck. What if that map flips up and smacks us? Hi, how hey!
Right, flips over and smacks the truck.
Smacks the truck.
Knocks us both out.
Puts a hole in the van. Chips leaking everywhere. What were you wanting him to do?
Huh?
What were you wanting him to do?
Pull it down.
Oh. I heard you yelling to stop.
Yeah, stop it.
Put it can you flip it the other way? Because he's going to pull down on that.
No.
When he pulls, it's going to pull down. It's going to flip that off again. Can you flip it the other way?
The other way before.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll try that. See if this will work. Cross your fingers. Oh, that was too easy. Cat power. Good night, Matt. Look at there. Paul at his finest.
All in your glory.
Got it out. Now we'll get him out. One in the back and one in the front. Got her straightened out. That is not pretty. That is not pretty. Ain't nothing gonna stop that kitty cat. Nothing gonna stop that kitty cat. See what happened was his trailer was over here when he went up over that thing. Twist. You gotta be careful. These chip vans are real top heavy. You gotta be real careful with these things. Because when his mules are way down in there like that, that's why Paulie was all the way on the front corner. They're all the way on that corner pushing up that way. So he did not want that thing rolling over. Rocks putting us in a pinch. All them trailers are sliding over and we couldn't see this giant boulder here because there was some pine brush on top of it. Couldn't figure out why all the vans wanted to slide that way and get into that tree after we removed that first pine. There's a giant rock sticking up in there. So we'll get that moved. And then we're going to lay another mat in here and then pull some of that dirt up here. And that was the problem, is all those chip vans were coming up here and that rock was right there. It was sliding our vans over that way even more, and I couldn't figure out why. And after the second truck, there was a giant rock there. And get that out of here. Put another mat in here and get things ready for morning.